Currently, the requirements for office efficiency and standardized document management in various industries are constantly increasing. Carbon-free paper, as an efficient, environmentally friendly, and convenient paper product solution, has seen a sustained and stable growth in market demand. Our carbon-less paper factory has been deeply involved in the industry for over 10 years, accumulating rich production experience and customer service cases. We have provided high-quality carbon-less paper products to over 2,000 enterprises.